Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make namak pare. So here we have 2 cups of plain flour and four spoons of cooking oil. That's a tablespoons. A spoon of salt. That's teaspoon. So you mix the flour like so. Okay. Just add a teaspoon of jeera. Okay, so we got a cup of water, but you need to check the flour. Okay, the dough is ready. I just need to add a little bit of oil. Okay, so this dough needs to be the dough that you usually make for samosa. Okay, let it rest for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been made into a been rolled flat. Okay, so you get a pizza cutter. Okay, so first you do cut vertically, and then you do another cut at an angle, so you get a diamond shape. So that's what you have. We get the oil. You wait for the oil to get hot. Okay, so you pull apart the pieces and add it to the oil. It's ready, so we're gonna take it out now.